So I'm gonna explain this home buying process literally in 60 seconds or less. Starting now. So when it comes down to buying a home, first you got to get approved for a home. So try to make sure that your credit score, like if you're looking on Credit Karma, try to have it from like a 680 to a 720. Once you guys have that, then you need to talk to a bank, a mortgage broker, or just I'd say talk to a mortgage broker. Talk to a mortgage broker and have them get you pre-approved for a home. Once you have that pre-approval, connect with a realtor, have that realtor show you around, show you some properties, find a property that you like. You have to put something called an earnest money down on that property, put the deposit down on property that you like, sign a contract, say that you're going to close. And then you have to get your documents into the mortgage broker because you're going to have documents that you have to send in. Get that into the mortgage broker, do the inspection on your home. And then about hopefully 3 weeks, 4 weeks, you'll be able to close on your home. But that's the process of buying a home roughly. If you guys have additional questions, please go ahead and call or text me. I can help you through the process of buying a home. I can help you with that, finding a mortgage broker and a realtor. Once you find those two things, they can help you fully through the whole process.